So right here guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can register on TimeWall and use TimeWall effectively. We all know how we can generate points on TimeWall. So when you come over to this hamburger icon, you can see various of ways you can use to earn points on TimeWall. Now TimeWall is actually partnering with so many other companies which you can use to accumulate more points on TimeWall and transfer those points to your account. So right here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up an account on TimeWall and how you can effectively use TimeWall to accumulate more points. Now, but before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Coach Joaquin. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online platforms to earn for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. And for my returning subscribers, kudos to you for always coming back to watch and support my videos. So right here in this video, I'm going to be logging out from my account and I'm going to be showing you how you can set up an account on TimeWall. Now, the first thing you want to do before you can get started on TimeWall is to first of all create an email address. Make sure you have created a new email address for this. Now, once that email is being created, the next thing you want to do is to come right to this particular interface where it says get started. Every platform will actually divert you to this section once you want to link TimeWall to your account. So what you just have to do is to click on get started. Now, once you click on get started, this is the next interface you're going to be seeing. So what you have to do on this interface is to come right to select any of your email that you have linked to your device. So once you click on that, automatically it's going to be logged you into your account. You can see that. So once you click on that, automatically you're going to be following the prompt to log into your account. Now once you log into your account, this is how your interface is going to look like. Now another thing you want to do on your TimeWall account is to verify your account. Now to verify that, come down to this hamburger icon right here. Then you're going to be seeing settings right here. So what you have to do is to click on settings. So once you click on settings right here, you're going to be seeing that you need to insert your profile details right here. Okay, so you can see update profile again. That is if you want to update your profile again. So you need to verify your account before you can start having access to it. You're going to be seeing a verification process right here. So once you come to this option right here, you're going to be seeing where you can go ahead to verify your account. So once you click on settings, somewhere around here you'll be asked to verify your account. So go ahead to follow the prompt to verify your account. Verification of your account does not actually take up to 1 minute. You just have to take a picture of yourself and you'll be asked to also write TimeWall on a white plain paper. Then snap a picture of yourself and upload. Just follow the prompt and your account will be verified. Now another question you want to ask is, how do I start accumulating points on TimeWall? Now on this interface you can see survey, tags, offers and clicks. Now these are the ways you can use to accumulate points on your account. If you want to come right to this hamburger icon, you are going to still see the same thing: survey, tags, clicks and offers. Now let's say we want to go for clicks right here. Once you click on that, it's going to display an option where you can see what to view and actually accumulate the point for yourself. So let's verify we are human right here. So once you click on that, you are going to be seeing a page, but most times you might come and you might not find a tags under clicks. There are also other ways you can use to accumulate points on your account. Right here you can see when you view this for 5 seconds, you are going to be given 70 points. So let's go ahead to try this. Once I click on view right here, and I'm going to wait on that page for some seconds, what I just need to do is to hold on. So you can see right now, after viewing that, I was given more points and I have over 124 points. Now to confirm this, take a look at my point right here. It's already on 124 points. If I go ahead to view this, I'll be given 10 points. So let's try that. You can see right now, once I view this, I'll be given 10 points for 5 seconds. So once I click on view right here, it's going to take me to another page just to be on that page for at least 5 seconds. So if you are on that page for at least 5 seconds, you are going to go back to your TimeWall account, then refresh and see if your point has actually been added. So right here, we've stayed in this page for 5 seconds. So I'm going to go back right here and I'm going to come back to my TimeWall account and I'm going to refresh this. As you can see right now, my point has actually increased. So that is how you can keep on doing. You can see there are so many tasks you can do right on this platform. This is actually staying on this page for 5 seconds and you're going to be given 10 points. So when you come down to offers right here, you are going to be seeing that there are lots of offers you can go on. Okay, so but when you come down to tags right here, these are what majority of us are actually using to make more points on our account. You can see right here that a single point can give you 7,504 points. Right here, this particular task can actually give you 8,000 plus points. As you can see right here that this particular one can give you 14,660 points. So there are a lot of tasks you can go ahead to do under the tax. Okay, so like I said, we only have 4 ways you can use to accumulate points for yourself: the survey, the tax, and the offer. So when you come down to survey right here, you are going to be seeing available surveys. That is if they actually have surveys on your region. Remember that this particular TimeWall does not support VPN, and if you want to go ahead to navigate using VPN, all you just need to do is to differentiate your Nigerian account from your United Kingdom account. Okay, so that is another way you can use to accumulate more points for yourself. Some people actually use this particular TimeWall for their free cash survey, and also some people use it for different surveys. The reason why they are using this is because it is easier to earn more points on TimeWall. Then you can transfer your earnings down to any platform you're using that on. Now let me come right here and show you the particular platform that are connected to my TimeWall account. Now once I come down to this particular website profile, you can see that I linked my TimeWall to Red Monkey app. I linked my TimeWall to Faucet Pay. I linked my TimeWall to Coins Baron. I linked my TimeWall to this particular platform you're seeing right here. So you can see that there are so many platforms I linked my TimeWall with. Even CoinPayu, I linked the platform of CoinPayu to this platform so I can be able to transfer points over to those platforms. Now this particular platform allow you to accumulate more points. That is why you hear many people talking about TimeWall. TimeWall gives you access to have more points, to accumulate more points, then move that to other platforms for you to have easy withdrawals. Most people talk about TimeWall because it is very easy for you to navigate on TimeWall. As you can see that these are the 4 ways you can use to accumulate points on TimeWall. Now some people will ask, after verifying my account, will I have full access? Yes, that is what you're going to be doing. After verifying your account as a new user, you're going to be having full access on your account. Now without verification, you can't have full access on your TimeWall account. Okay, now how do you now withdraw your points down to your different platforms? When you come right here, you are going to be seeing the withdraw option. Click on withdraw option. You can see right here that it says you can only withdraw your points when you have about 500 points on TimeWall. Right here you can see approved point I have right here is 138 points. Now it is only when you have about 500 points you can be allowed to move your points to wherever you want to move that, maybe your sequence account or any account you have actually linked to this platform. Now once you are able to reach the minimum withdrawal, which is 500, you'll be allowed to click this button that is showing withdraw 62 sequence coin. Okay, so right here you can see that the conversion rate of this 138 points is actually 62 sequence coin. So you need to have about 500 sequence coin right on this platform on your TimeWall account before you can be able to withdraw them to your sequence account. Now let's go over to sequence so I can show you what I actually mean by connecting your account to TimeWall. So right here, let me log into my sequence account. So I'm going to be showing you how you can connect to TimeWall and accumulate points for yourself. Now when you come right to this hamburger icon right here, you're going to be seeing community, sequence tax, CPX survey, Torox offer wall, then TimeWall offer wall. Click on TimeWall offer wall. So it's going to be bringing you over to this interface just like what I showed you earlier. So what you're going to be doing, since you already have an account on TimeWall, click on get started. Okay, click on Google that is written in red. So once you click on that, automatically it's going to take you over to your email. Come down to where you want to link your account to TimeWall. So click on that particular email you have TimeWall on. Then automatically it's going to direct you to your TimeWall account. Now my sequence account is linked to TimeWall. So what I'm to do is to make sure I keep on accumulating points till I get to where I'll be able to withdraw from TimeWall. You can see right here that we have the minimum of 500 points. So that is the only means you can use to accumulate more points from TimeWall to other platforms. Remember I showed you that I linked so many platforms on my own TimeWall account. As you can see them right here. So my TimeWall is actually accumulating more points for me to those platforms. That makes it easier for me to earn and actually withdraw from different platforms using TimeWall. So that is how you can create a TimeWall account and link them to different platforms and start accumulating more points for you to be able to withdraw on each platform. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification. so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I won't give giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.